Welcome to the second day of the Renaissance induction. The band, sponsored by Miss Looney and Mr. Schweinefuss, will play American Folk Rhapsody, composed by Claire Grundman. The following students have attained the Renaissance White Card level. They have maintained at least a 3.0 GPA with no more than 1 C for the third 9 weeks. They will receive 2 gifts from Sonic and a chance to win a gift from Not Just Pie, Nukes, and CC's Coffee House.
The winners of the White Card raffles are Kendall January has won a gift from Not Just Pie, Mia Campbell has won a gift from Nukes, Amber Herring has won a gift from CC's Coffee House. You may pick up your prize from Ms. Bullock in her office. The winners of the teacher raffles are Ms. Ashton Birch has won a $25 gift card from Dream Wash, Mr. Ronnie Dunn has won a $25 gift card to the Warehouse Restaurant, Mr. Brian Butler has won a $25 gift card to Trios. You may pick up your prize from Mrs. Bullock in her office.
At this time, the National Honor Society, sponsored by Mrs. Beth Smith and Mrs. Anna Rambin, would like to recognize those persons selected as distinguished students and teachers. Mrs. Martin will now introduce the Student of the Month for the month of March.
Good morning. I would like to recommend Victor Quinto for the March Student of the Month. And I know that Ms. Napoli also wanted to recognize him. I'm honoring Victor today for his work and dedication in the library as an ASO worker this year. He may be quiet and reserved, not drawing attention to himself, but he is a great student and an avid reader. Victor has certainly not slacked off for his senior year. I've appreciated his kind and polite attitude and his willingness to help wherever needed. Thank you, Victor. You will be missed in the library.
The National Honor Society will now recognize their Teacher of the Month for the month of March. Mr. Mahmoodian, nominated by Raven Willis.
The Neville National Honor Society would like to recognize Mr. Mahmoodian as Teacher of the Month for the month of March. As a freshman, I had the pleasure of being Mr. Mahmoodian's first 6th-period class at Neville High School, and I can honestly say his class is one I always look forward to. He made the environment of his class stress-free and fun, and even helped students with any problems they had. Thank you, Mr. Mahmoodian, for always making both school and algebra fun. Congratulations and thank you.
We thank the businesses that support our Renaissance program. Please support these businesses. And once again, congratulations to all the participants.